Right there. There. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Don't relax. All right, so this hand goes behind your neck. Arms in like this. This is here. Good. So normally we place this here, but we're gonna move it out slightly so we're gonna get those ribs in that subscapular region. We're gonna come down slightly below it. He's gonna roll back. You know, it's kind of roll on back, roll on back, roll on back. Lift your feet. And like before, just like concrete. Try and so pretend like you're asleep. There we go. There's a little bit. Still face down.
Oh gosh.
They're not always that aggressive.
I told you I'm terrible at this.
At least you're having fun with it.
Yeah. Anytime I get to do something completely new. Here, here. Boom.
Yes.
Yes, it is. So this is a pisiform rib adjustment using this tiny little bone to get a hold of that rib head. Breathe in, breathe out. And he's made of concrete.